Okay, can you please quiet down?
No.
Come on. Okay, here we go. Now this is, I just started recording in this. Come on. Got some pretty good fireworks out here.
Huh? I like noise of it. Wow.
Yeah, but no one wants to hear you make noise. Now would you check that out?
Ooh. That one had dark up, huh?
Hi.
It's really dark outside.
Here comes the large ones. Sounds like Screaming Souls for some reason. Might take a while, but at least it's a nice show. I think there's still more. Yeah, there is more. What else is out there? Not really that large. What's next? Whoa. What else is there? No, I'm just gonna keep it like this. What? I wish my family could keep their mouths shut so I can. Oh, looks like we've got a failure right here. What else is there?
Where'd you go to?
Bumpy.
I went up to the. You gotta go out fun ways.
Sorry about how my phone's been getting.
Wow. Huh? Wow.
Woo! Woo! Let baby have the green one, Ellie.
What?
That's good.
Yep, it is pink. You recording too, Mom?
Don't cry. Don't be sad.
Alright, here's the next one. Probably gonna be the hot drop one. I was right. Is that on? It's beautiful.
Wow, that was digamos. Desde capaz, ¿eh?
I know it's not. They always go off with an epic finale. Then. I think there's some more. Here comes some more.
That was good too, capaz. I really.
Parker. Down here.
Yeah, sorry about that. My little boy's up here.
Parker, please.
Wow.
Now that was a colorful one. It's not gonna be really foggy. Now that one was beautiful. Double! Holy shit.
Riley? Watch your mouth.
Whoa! Didn't see that one coming. Here comes another one.
That didn't work.
Oh, that's how that's supposed to work.
With the key.
Peter, please stop copying me.
Riley?
Stop calling.
Michael? Please stop ignoring. Annoying.
Almost looked like a face for a second. Can you please? Dude.
Leave. You leave her
Stupid. Everything on my phone is always getting blurred out. I don't know. No, it's not that. It's just 1 second, it's all good, and the next second, it's all foggy. Ooh, that big. See it raining on the water. Yep. I bet everything will go pretty good. Here comes some more. Yeah, there goes my cousin. I can blame. There we go. Yeah, sorry about all the fog up here. Yeah, sorry about all the fog, ladies. Sorry about all the blurs, ladies and gents. My phone's not really that tough, even if it is brand new. I have bad quality filming, so yeah. I'm zooming out for this one.
I don't
Here we go. Sure, it's beautiful.
Hey.
Huh? Multicolored one. Oh, here comes another. Looks like we had a failure on that one.
And the screamer. I know.
Oh, that's how it's supposed to work. Never mind.
No, it's not supposed to work like that.
But it looks pretty cool. Oh, my
I bet
grandpa's.
Augustus heard that one.
Yep.
You came here.
Looks like you get some McDonald's next time. Have you ever been to, if you've ever been to McDonald's, make sure to hit the like button. Yep. As for today's notes,
Boom. Boom.
Oh, we got a fucking dog up here. Hey Michael, can you do me a favor and keep yourself quiet? Thank you.
Hi.
Gonna make some noise.
Guess there's still gonna be some more.
These fries are not my favorite. I'll get tonight. Keep them coming out.
Those are extremely small.
Well,
Well, that one's extremely large.
Now that's
Well, these next few fireworks are very hard shattering. 3, 2, 1. Called it. There's some more. Now that was cool.
That was crazy.
I don't think it's all done. Oh, fireworks are done. Oh, there's still more.
one more?
I said there's still more, not there's one more. Got needles over here.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Stop.
Ski. What's my ears?
Oh, come on.
Then cut it.
Here comes another hard shattering one. Boom. Here comes another graceful one. Boom. Oh, that was awesome. Here comes another one. Now I think the dogs heard this one. Good thing I saved those Spumbo seats. Well, kind of. Technically, it's not more like higher seats here.
Smoke. Fire. That is a screaming flash.
Yeah, what's this one gonna be?
Man. Woo, 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 woo.
This should be better. Come some more. Might have been the largest. I guess it didn't go up high enough. Oh. I think there are some fireworks. Oh, here comes some more, guys. On the largest of the bundle. Well, I guess it's a bit of firework ASMR now. She's like me. Comes another.
Ah, good. Oh, freaking.
I think so.
Janag?
Could you please stop mimicking?
Riley, please stop.
No, I really brings out the smoke. This is my mimicking. Leave down in the comments below if you notice any firework failures. I think it's a stealth one. Cause I was right. I think those fireworks were meant to come out from the water. Okay. I think there's still more. I was right. It was up in the air, way up above.
Grandpa.
That wasn't Grandpa, it was Michael. Michael said it was him.
I think this might be the finale. Now that was epic. Oh, here comes more. there's more. I saw one shoot up. Whoa. That went real high. Oh. Whoa.
Yeah.
Everyone's cheering from. You can hear the crowd cheering. Is this done? I swear to God, this is gonna be another decoy. Oh, shut up, well, yep. It's like the fam is doing it right, and there's my brother being. You can see here. I think the fire. Oh, we're not done yet, ladies and gents. Whoa, did you see that? I called those nukes.
No.
I'm gonna call those nuke fireworks. Those that just went off on the island. Michael, can I please record my video? I know, my little boys act like babies. They were born this way, so yeah, I've already adapted to it.
Down the island. Right?
Fireworks video.
Is it over?
Let's watch that.
I'm gonna wait 3 more minutes, and if it's not over, I'm still recording. Yep. It's me and my family of crackheads.
Yes.
You ready to go home? Okay, stop. You gotta go to the bathroom?
There's a bathroom in there, and
stop.
there's a
I
bathroom
know.
inside the building.
Hey, do you have to use the bathroom?
Well,
Will you stand by him right there? Michael, no, this one. Riley, can you go?
Who's in the bathroom? That's right. Somebody's in the bathroom.
Michael, wait, come here. Wait a minute, come here.
Who's in the bathroom?
I know.
there's a bathroom in the building when you go to that direction.
You want to take her inside for the bathroom for me? Hey, look. Dominic's going to take you inside the bathroom. Be a good listener. Thank you, Dominic.
Hey, I think it is
Oh,
over.
it's locked. You can't get in no more.
Well then, enjoy this ASMR.
I wonder if we'll...
Well
Riley, your
then,
sandals are right here.
oh thanks.
You put this in the
Well, everyone's getting prepared to go, so. Oh, looks like we're not over.
Nana's right again. Why does everybody...
We just got decoyed. Although, is it really over? Now I'm just confused as heck. But, oh well, happy Independence Day, people. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this, and, well, I don't know if I'll be posting it. I don't know if I'll be posting a review or not, but I hope you enjoy these 25 minutes. Bye.